Yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, it's a beautiful day. Currently, outside it's 6 a.m. Yeah? Even if it's early or late, we still gotta deal with the market. Okay. So yeah, today actually, I hope you guys are doing good. Actually, I hope you're doing good. You're doing great. Yeah, I'm doing great. So thanks to God. Okay. So yesterday, I know we were expecting for something different, but after going offline, of which I shared this in my Telegram group. So after going offline, actually, let me just explain what we were doing for those who are not here. Yesterday, we were expecting the market to come. Okay, it came right here. When we were in the market and analyzing it, we found it here, right? But now I was expecting it to give a little pullback like that, and then push here, sell, now here, and then buy. That's what I was expecting. But it did not do that. It did not do that. The market failed to push above and then it dropped down. So immediately I saw this break of structure right over here in retest. I got into a short all the way down here. Yeah. I took a shot and then the market pulled up. Okay, so I didn't check what the market was testing over here that made it drop, and I did not, you know, I mean, no one is perfect. Yeah, no one is perfect. Yeah, so, um, okay, I think that's good, yeah. Uh, mm-hmm. Let's just continue. Okay, so as I was saying, and that's how I was able to catch a sell and a buy almost at the same time. However, after catching the sell, I gave the market a little bit of time, like around 30 minutes, for it to play out down here. Take out liquidity, do all those things, whatever it wants to do down here. Okay, and then it gave me this retest. I entered the retest, and then what did it do? Started flying off. Okay, I sent all this in my Telegram group. I sent it, yeah, and WhatsApp as well. So I think that's just how I took this trade, and yeah, so I took the trade. So today's a new day. We gotta look for another setup. Yeah, we have look for another setup. Just gonna go to the 30 minutes. Okay. So what I noticed is the market after buying from here, we had these three engulfing candles, bullish engulfing candles, and then we had this retest in this OB, FG. Is it an OB? Oh yeah, yeah. FGOB, because they're both right here, but I'm using an OB. So we had that retest inside this OB, and then it drop again. This one is after I left the market, of which I couldn't take it because, I mean, a good dancer always know when to leave the stage, right? We don't take every single trade. However, since we already used this one, I don't know if the market is using it again. But yeah, the market is using it again. Wow. And still we have this one right here. This will be right over there. Actually, I think we already have a setup, bro. What the hell? But it's not confirmed. Let's just go down to the Lord Handful. Having that. This. Okay. Let's see if yeah, we had a sweep. Let's not use this one for now. Let's use the other one, the old one. But we can still put this okay. Yeah, that will be. So we had a sweep, super liquidity right here. Super liquidity. Oof, look at that. And then we have a retest. And now we're having this breaker structure right over here. Okay. So if we break the structure properly, then we get a retest, we're gonna enter the trade. Okay. If that happens, we're gonna enter the trade. And the supporting mechanism of this trade is that we are having this candle, single candle from the buyers, and the market is on the 30 minutes going lower, the market is still bullish. However, from the 1 hour going upwards, it's bearish. So I don't know. We have that high and this high. Just too high. So we can either wait for the market to take down this, not both of them, but this small one, and then come back down. And if we want to take the trade after this high has been taken out, actually it's 56 minutes. Yeah. It's only at 56, 46 seconds. Let's see what it will do. See what the market will do. Perfect. Now we had the what do you call it? The close above it. Even in the 15-minute down. Yeah. So what I'm gonna wait for? That's what I'm looking for. That retest. So we're gonna wait for the retest. I know we had this sweep of liquidity up retest. The retest in 1 minute looks like a flag. I don't know. To me, it looks like a flag. See? Yeah, that's a flag. Continuation. So definitely we're gonna have the retest. So let's wait for that retest. Or if you wanna get early, you can get in early. That's up to you. And the next 15 minutes is my target. I'm trying to send this screenshot to my to the group so that they be we get ready, yeah. So so that they don't say that I'm trying to cut the sell to buy as a setup all by myself here. Let me just send it real quick, okay? You guys, if you're in the live, you can just look at it. Where you see the setup and confirmation, just get in. Okay, so if you're in the group, WhatsApp group, I guess, uh, you've seen that I've sent it already. Okay, you can, yeah, I'm pretty sure you've seen it. I know some people will enter here, but personally, it's okay even if the market takes out this high. It's okay. Actually, that's like confirmation because the market was coming, top, took out liquidity, okay, took out liquidity, came up here, created this high, created this flag, continuation, okay, so took out the high, okay, and then either I'm waiting for the retest here to come, or even a bit deeper to this trend line, there, and then continuation, okay. The retest will go all the way up here after taking that high and then a retest. But if we take out this high, this one, I don't think the retest is gonna be that deep. But if we take this one, it might be deep. I'm not saying that it will be deep, but it has to, but it might. So, and I'm saying that so that if you're holding the trade with Sequoia, you don't be like, oh, I'm in a drawdown, oh, is this going to take my stop loss? No. I mean, it might. Not that it's confirmed, but it might. So, yeah. Let's just see how it's going to play out. Anyways, it's okay. I still got time. It's okay. We can wait for it together because I got some time. I mean, by 7, I'm supposed to be in a meeting. So, you see, we took at this high aggressively. Okay. So, it's either we can take out this high, this one. So, we can take this out this high, or we just give the retest and take out immediately where we are still going up. Okay. Because apparently, this is the same setup I had yesterday. This one. But today, the market took out the liquidity more aggressively. See, yesterday it was like shallow, but today it took out the liquidity more aggressively. Okay. However, we are still waiting for that to play out, or maybe take us out. We can you can just look at what the market did yesterday at night. Okay. So as I said, the markets gave me the same setup yesterday, but more deeper. You see, like this move is more deeper. Okay, from the OB to this takeout of liquidity, it's so aggressive. I don't know why. So we had a deeper retracement into that OB, then down move, took out this. So yeah, took out that low break of structure, and then let's say identify first the break of structures, and then we come to the OBs and the FG. Sorry guys. Yeah, there. And then we have another one right over here. That's it. Down here at this point, maybe we go to 1 minute, okay, but up here we can use 15, 5, 30, it's still okay. So we had this move, okay, we have our fallen soldier, so let's identify the OBs in the 15 minutes. We have our fallen soldier right here. Oh my god, rest in peace soldier. So we have that, and yeah, I'm just gonna remove this because it's not that important right now. Perfect. And then we have this one, and I don't know, you guys, have you seen the OB? I wish this was a live class so that I ask you questions. I just feel like asking questions. Yeah, that's the OB that caused this move, and take out of this slope. Okay, right there. Yeah, and I think we had this move. Okay, we cannot say that these lows have been taken out because apparently these are just weeks. So here we have a strong support. Okay, however the liquidity was taken out, so we have a strong support. High chance, this not even high chance, this one is gonna rally up to here. Okay, we can go back to the 15, 5 minutes, sorry. And here we're gonna have this. So if you're careful with this, if you look right here where we have the fallen soldier, where you had the fallen soldier, we had the moves. Okay, we have move 1, a little bit of sweep of liquidity right over here, that's small wick, and then we have the continuation retest. It's a retest. If you go to 1 minute, you're gonna see it more clearly, but I don't want to go to 1 minute. The thing is so stressful when you want to move around. Then we have the continuation, look at the structure, retest. Okay, and then what do we have? Move all the way down. Okay, all the way down. So I was explaining how this move happened. That's what we have. Yeah, and then before this move we created another OB that really caused this move to go down. Anyway. So from that, I think even this one is not that important right now, and this one as well. So the reason why I'm expecting a test here is because we never tested this OB. Okay, we never tested it. So the market will come up here, and then maybe go down, but this OB will give us a confirmation, either up confirmation or down confirmation. So I can see the market is moving real strong. Okay, moving real strong, but I'm still waiting for the retest though. I don't want to get in the middle of this. Don't want to get in. I'm just gonna wait for the retest. If it's gonna leave me, well and good. we are creating high highs and high lows. So if we take out this eye, uh, I will not be expecting the market to give me a deeper retracement. However, if I get a deeper retracement, it's still okay. Yeah, it's still okay. See, the right, this zone. If the market goes anywhere lower from this, we are out, because the sellers will start pushing it lower and lower and lower and lower, maybe. But if, let me just put it here. But if we have maybe something like that, well, they might fight here, they might fight, and then it continue. But and if we have this one, well, definitely the buyers are stronger. You're just gonna have that bounce. So just expect just 3 scenarios. So you see, we did not take out this high, but the market is trying to move lower. It's okay. I will just put my my alert right over here. I'll just place it. That's 40, 31, 4. 40, 31.34. Yeah. Is that it? I guess. Yeah, that's it. You're just gonna wait for it to get down there. You can also place your alert. So apparently, it's almost 7 on my side, so I'm gonna go 650 just to get time to prepare myself and stuff. And I'm gonna send a signal in the group. Okay, make sure you join, because we're missing all this. You're missing all this. My God, you're missing it. Yeah, you're missing all this. So I think someone need to wait for 650. I mean, you know the reason why I don't really go all the way back and start analyzing the market and giving out this and this. It's because I already did it. So it's just like a continuation. Okay? It's just like we're doing a continuation. So don't expect me to go back to maybe what the market did while I was not around. Like this move, all these moves. You see? That's what I would do. But not go back to what I did on Monday and start. I'll still get the same thing. I'll be doing the same damn thing all the time. But you just expect me to be doing this, get into the market, yeah, and then either look for the entry or just go back to this zone. If I don't find the entry, I'll definitely go back to this zone and try and know what the market was doing, so that after I get here, I'll be having an idea of this, and then it will be easy for me to get an entry. But if I get the entry immediately, well, I will have to confirm it with the structure that's here. This structure, okay. That's why I told you when I was looking on the other side, don't focus on that zone, this zone, okay. Let's focus above, because above is where we have the good structure. Down here is where we have the entry confirmation and all that shit, okay. But personally, since we have this breakout on the 1 minute, and the market maybe failed, so I will be expecting a retracement all the way down here, or the market should take it, give me a retracement and continue, okay. However, this trend line must still be tested. So I'm not saying that my entry will be exactly here, okay. It might be lower or it might be higher. However, I hate high entries. I don't know why. I just hate them. But I love lower entries. I mean, low risk, high, profit. I don't know. So yeah, guys, that was all for today. I mean, thank you for joining me. We're gonna meet in the evening when and see what this market did the whole day. Yeah, I'm gonna hold this trade the whole day, or I'm just gonna leave it to play for as long as it wants, maybe the whole day. And yeah, here's where I'm gonna take my 50%, whatever, 50% profit, and then the rest let it play all the way up here. So yeah, guys, that's it. I'm not gonna do a lot of talking. Yeah, till next time. Thank you for joining me. Okay. So here you just have to have your confirmation and you get in. But if you're in a Telegram group and you found your entry and haven't, stick to your plan. Okay, stick to your plan. If you found an entry, a confirmation of entry, stick to your plan. Okay, but if we have found it, stick to the plan. If we haven't, let's wait. Like right now, we are waiting. I know some people will be so scared and be like, "Oh, bro, enter from there." No, this market might reverse even now the way down here. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, don't forget to put the alerts. It's much better. You can go do your things and then you just get the alert when the market gets there, or you can just put your order if you're ready to risk to enter without a confirmation. That's what I can tell you. Okay. Anyway. Oh, capis.